We'll guide you through how to get a YouTube video transcript. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So for whatever reason you want to go and get the transcript for a YouTube video, perhaps you want to go and have it so you can go and read what is being said in the video as you struggle with hearing, or you want to go and get it so it can go and be summarized, or there's another reason why. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure it's a full guide and we can go and dive straight into this. So you need to go and find the video you want to do it with. So I'll press search in the top right and go and search for a GuideRealm video. I'll come on to the channel, and then what I can do here is scroll down and find a video I want to do this with. Now what you need to do is you need to go and tap on the video like so. Then what you can do is you can go and open up the description. So what you need to do is make sure the video is in the vertical player like so you can go and see the info beneath it. And just below the video, you go and see the title where it says more. If you go and tap and hold, you go and see we can actually go and tap there. So click on it. And then what you want to do is go down and you can find the option for show transcript. And you want to go and tap there. So here is the transcript. You can then go and read through it. You can go and skip through it as well to find certain parts and actually go and search as well. If you want to be able to go and copy this though, then what you need to do is go and find the share button beneath the video, the arrow, tap on it and press copy link. Come out of YouTube and open up a web browser of your choice. Tap on the address bar, remove what's currently in there, and then tap your cursor and you can press paste and go. So here is the video player in Safari. Then what you want to do is we need to go and make this to desktop mode. So press the rectangle and lines to the left of the URL. On Chrome, it'd be the three dots in the bottom right. Press the three dots in the bottom right, and then what we need to do is go and find the option for a Quest desktop site. On Chrome, just scroll down and you should be able to go and find it. Then you can go and tap there like so. This will be a little bit glitchy as of course it is made for computers. Then you want to go and press more to expand it like this. Then you can go and scroll down and press show transcript, and here it is. You can press the three dots in the top right and press toggle timestamps and you can go through it. To start copying it, tap and hold your finger and then you can go and start dragging it down like so. Keep on dragging it all the way down and then you can go and select that final part there. Then press copy and you've now gone and copied the transcript. Then what you can do is go and paste it where you want to. Then what you can do is go and tap on your cursor and press paste and you then pasted it. And there you have it, there is your transcript. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope you found this useful and I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. Have a great day, goodbye for now.